Finding inner peace. It's becoming one of the biggest trends of the 21st century to seek out enlightenment and inner peace. People are buying up books everywhere and running from teacher to teacher to try and find the inner peace they so desperately crave. Who really has inner peace and how did they find it? We can all get a bit lost when it comes to uncovering the truth. One surefire method for determining if you are on the right path is to simply ask yourself, am I more at peace than I was a year ago or 6 months ago? If you feel that you are finding more peacefulness as you progress on your path, then you know it must be working. If you aren't sure or you think that maybe it isn't working, then maybe you need to sit still a little more each day. Meditation can be a great way to calm your mind and emotions so that peacefulness eventually becomes more natural for you. Inner peace only comes from one place, and that's the inner part of you. If you find that you aren't feeling peaceful, it's time to look deeper within yourself. Most of the time, when people decide to start daily meditation, they discover that their thoughts and emotions are running wild inside of them, and they feel almost instantly discouraged. Am I doing it right? These are all justifiable questions to have, and yet beginners will still be surprised to hear that those questions don't really matter. There is no right way to sit still or a correct thing to concentrate on when you meditate. Your goal is to simply sit still with your eyes closed and relax. Don't fall asleep, but don't worry so much about whether it is right or wrong. If you are sitting there with your eyes closed, then it is right. The goal should be to just try not to let your mind wander wildly and to concentrate on just one thing. That's all there is to it. The hard part comes in when we start judging and analyzing everything and get ourselves all frustrated with what we are trying to do. What are we trying to do? The problem that beginners have is that they think there is a special formula for meditation and a way of doing it that will make them an expert. There is no correct way of doing it, and there is no formula. Everything you do will be correct. Just sit there and, by doing it each day for a certain amount of time, this will eventually result in more calmness in your mental processes and an equilibrium in your emotions. The beginning, however, can sometimes be the toughest time. Do not expect to see results overnight because that's not how it works. Be patient. Just do it. The key to success is doing it regularly and being patient. Did you ever try to teach a dog to sit still? You can usually teach him to sit, but getting him to stay is a bit tougher. This is the same problem for people. People know how to sit, but they never learn how to stay. If you can teach yourself to both sit and stay, you will be among the very few people in the world who have learned a very valuable trick. For dogs, it takes some extra Scooby snacks to get them to do it. For human beings, it sometimes requires a calendar and the fun game of checking off the days of the week as they complete their task of staying for 10 minutes or more. Some humans get to be experts at this trick and can sit still for over an hour at several different times a day. These humans are sort of like the dogs you have seen on television who can perform in front of a panel of judges and can sit and stay for long periods of time. Their masters always love them a lot, and they always win the contests they enter. As funny as this comparison may seem, it actually applies quite well. If you learn to sit for longer periods of time without having to move around in your chair and without your mind doing cartwheels every moment, you will eventually start to achieve more things in life. The master behind your thoughts and emotions will eventually come forward and reward you with a lot of great Scooby snacks. Finding inner peace can be as easy as training a dog, but you have to be a good dog who really wants to please your master. Now get out there and sit down. Next time you do it, make sure you stay too. If you find this video inspired you to seek the path to inner peace, please like, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you will receive more of these inspirational videos.